Hi everyone, my name is Ragvir. Today I'm here to show some of the functionalities of my code which I have developed when developing my music library app. Uh, Basically, I developed it's an Android app. So in this, I'm going to show some of the functionalities like start recording of my app. My app name is Music Library Management. So we have like start recording of the audio, timer of the audio, stop recording, audio file stop and start functionalities to save the file, which helps us to save us when we record some file. Storing of the data means where we store the data of the library. Finally, we are going to have a look at saving our location. That means the GPS location of a particular music when we are there, it's happening. So now when it comes to code part, so here we go. First we are looking at add collection dot class. So here we can see that this add collection dot this. So this is where the code is to add the collection of our particular library. This is the code part where we add location for which we hear in a live concert. However, if we are viewing the live concert is going on, we can add that particular location. So I'm going to show that code. That code is here. So you can see that this code is particularly which helps us to add our location, which where live concert is going on. So now we look how we record our code for recording. So for recording your music, you go all the way top. Yeah, here we can see that start button and stop button functionalities. Uh, if you want to record some music, we start recording by clicking on start recording button. So here we have that code functionality which records the music. This is function for the recording. So when we record something, we will get notified of the time. So for that, I have also developed code for timer, which means to record the time. Say let's say for how long I have recorded the audio file. So all the way down timer code. So here you can see that particular code of the timer. So we have a code for timer. This functionality used to record the time. This appears on your right side of the app. When you start, click on the start recording button. Here we measure the time in seconds and we increment that by 1. This is the timer functionality. So when we record and when we get done with that, we also have to stop recording. So all the way up, we have the code for stop recording. So you can see here stop button code. This is where we actually this is the code we use to stop for recording. As I said you earlier. So now we have the imported piece of code which adds location. If you see here, it should be here. If you see carefully, we have that code here, add location. So as I said, when we go to in consent, if you want to add that particular location and to save our library of that location details and to store that particular thing, we use this piece of code. Now we have a look at to save the file. So when we record something, we don't just let it go like that. We use to save the file. Here you can see that saving a file. So this is the library where you save all the files. If you want to access them, you can access at any time from your handset. So now we are going to look piece of code on a music library. That means we can see how activity is here. So you can see show activity. These are the kind of activities which you are going to do on your app. We have like start button, stop button over here, and start media. Now if we want to save the file and we have the music location over here. So in this you can save the location as well. You can see start activity to map internet. So we use maps to save the location over here. However, this code we also use to add the location of the maps. So finally we can see that we can add the location using maps. This is the real location which you are going to get when you record the location. So now I'm going to show my app through TeamViewer. I have already connected. So first you are going to run the app. Click on the run, restart the app. This is my mobile HTC One, which I am using for run the application. Go to TeamViewer and click on it. Now I am accessing my mobile. So now you have a look here. This is my music management library app. So you have like add location. So you can see the list of things which I have saved for test purpose. Click on add location. So when you click on that, it's take me to the title name. You can give like title name Raghu or something else. So I am naming it as Raghu file. So done with that, and you are going to save the location. Just click on the location button. I have already showed you the code how to save the location. So here select this location and click select. At the bottom of your location button, you can see the longitude and latitude of the location. So this is how we are going to add the location for it. So here you can see that record button. If you click record, as I said, the timer gonna start and it's gonna record in time in terms of seconds. If you're done recording, you can just click on stop. So that just get done there. So it stopped at 10 seconds. You have a wonderful feature to choose the file from your mobile. You can choose from SD card. So just that's how you do it. If you want to play the file of 10 seconds, you are gonna hit the play button. If you want to save, you are gonna hit the save. If you want to stop the recording, you can hit on stop. So you can see this is the how you're gonna stop this. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Have a great day. Bye bye.